Now 47th question of exercise 13.3 of Exemplar is, by examining the chest x-ray, the probability that TB is detected when a person is actually suffering is 0.99. The probability of an healthy person diagnosed to have TB is 0.001. In a certain city, 1 in 1,000 people suffers from TB. A person is selected at random and is diagnosed to have TB. What is the probability he actually has TB? Now let me explain the statement of this question. Now first line is, by examining the chest x-ray, the probability that TB is detected when a person is actually suffering is 0.99. Now this line says there is a person who has TB, and if chest x-ray is done on that person, TB is detected. Its probability is 0.99. अगर किसी व्यक्ति को टीबी है, उसका चेस्ट एक्सरे किया जाता है और टीबी डिटेक्ट हो जाती है, तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 0.99. The probability of a healthy person diagnosed to have TB is 0.001. What does it say? Healthy person. It means that person doesn't have TB. And if chest x-ray is done on that person and they diagnosed it as TB, its probability is 0.001. It means कि किसी का गलत एक्सरे की रिपोर्ट दी जाती है, उसकी probability कितनी है? 0.001. That person is healthy. Even then they diagnose he has TB. Its probability is 0.001. In a certain city, 1 in 1,000 people suffer from TB. 1 in 1,000 people suffers from TB. It means probability in a certain city, people are suffering from TB is 1 by 1,000. And people who are not suffering with TB is 1 minus 1 by 1,000, that is 999 upon 1,000. A person is selected at random and is diagnosed to have TB. What is the probability he actually has TB? You have to find the probability that the person actually has TB, given that he is diagnosed to have TB. Let E1 be the event when a person actually has TB. Let E2 be the event when a person doesn't have TB. So probability of E1 is 1 by 1,000 and probability of E2 is 1 minus 1 by 1,000, that is 999 by 1,000. So probability when a person actually has TB. So in a certain city we know 1 in 1,000 people suffer from TB. So its probability is 1 by 1,000. So probability he doesn't have TB is 1 minus 1 by 1,000, that is 999 upon 1,000. Let A be the event when a person is diagnosed to have TB. Probability of A given E1. Now probability when a person is diagnosed to have TB, given that he actually has TB. उसका diagnose भी हुआ है और given है कि उसको actually TB है. So that is equal to 99 upon 100. So probability of A given E2. It means probability when a person is diagnosed to have TB, when he actually doesn't have TB. It means वो जो गलत diagnose होता है, एक्सरे किया जाता है और गलत diagnose होता है, that is equal to 0.001. उसकी probability कितनी है? 0.001. That is equal to 1 upon 1,000. Now probability of E1 is 1 by 1,000, probability of E2 is 999 upon 1,000, probability of A given E1 is 99 by 100, probability of A given E2 is 1 by 1,000. We have to find probability of E1 given A. It means probability when the person actually has TB and given that he is diagnosed to have TB. So write the formula. This is Bayes theorem. Probability of E1, probability of A given E1 upon probability of E1, probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2, probability of A given E2. Substitute the values. After substituting the values, we'll have 99 upon 100,000 upon 99 upon 100,000 plus 9999 upon 100,000. Take the LCM of the denominator, do the calculations, you will get 110 upon 221. So that is the required probability. That is the answer.